So, welcome to the Blade Show. I'm Alan Zwickel. We're part of the SteelXpert. Our parent company is Bestar, located in Remscheid, Germany. We're real excited to be here. This is our fourth Blade Show. The products that we're carrying are predominantly conventional steels. Our main business from Bestar is in the industrial sector for saw blades and knives. And we started carrying this material and distributing them to knife makers. These are guys that are looking to buy one or two pieces here and there. They can order them from our Amazon store, which we started setting up just a couple of years ago. And we are selling just really easy to manage pieces. You can buy them. This is something that we would laser cut over in Germany. And then what we'll do is we'll wrap it up in a VCI corrosion protectant package, and off it goes. We bring it over here to our warehouse, and our customers are able to just go online and buy it.
So what would all the different types of steel be that you offer?
So the steels we're offering, like I said before, they're conventional steels.
Okay.
So it's D2, which is kind of your workhorse when it comes to making blades. We're also carrying 80 CRV2, which for a lot of folks that are having problems getting 1095, this is a great alternative for it. And I am well stocked in our warehouse right now. So if you're looking for an alternative 1095, it's a great way to go.
So for the beginning knife maker who's sitting at home thinking this is what I want to do, is these are the good place to start?
It's a great place to start because you can just buy a one piece. If you want to try something longer, you can buy a 33-inch piece. If you want to try something a little bit smaller, you can buy a 13-inch piece.
Okay.
Our thicknesses are ranging from about 138 up to 393. So perfect size for making a knife.
All right.
So one of the things we're really excited that we're debuting here at the show is a new grade in the knife making industry called precut.
Okay.
And this is a grade that is essentially, it has the wear characteristics of D2. It has the corrosion resistance of 440B.
Okay.
So guys that are, if you're looking to make something that is used in a water application like a dive knife, it's a great opportunity. We actually sell this in the industrial sector for the fishing knife industry. So, and this is a product that's used out at sea in an industrial.
And it's available with you now.
It's available with us now, cut into pieces like this. So guys that want to try it out, they can just buy one piece, cut it, forge it, play with it. All the heat treat data is available.
I was just getting ready to ask if you did have support for the heat treatment.
Absolutely.
So that data's sent out. Okay.
If you have this, if you go to SteelXpert.com, all of our data sheets are readily available and downloadable right from there.
Okay.
It includes chemistry, heat treat data, tempering curve, whatever you might need.
I'm sure they appreciate that support. They're going to need that.
Absolutely. The great thing about this grade is when they're using it out at sea, after they finish a shift, they clean the steel and the knives with chlorine and salt water.
Okay.
Pretty much the most abrasive
I was just getting ready to say, not what I would
conditions
normally
you can
recommend.
imagine for steel. This was designed to work in that environment.
Okay.
So if you're looking for something that wears really well and doesn't rust, that's the way to go.
You have a lot more opportunity to be cavalier and not mess up.
Exactly.
All right. Well, we appreciate your time. I hope you have a great show.
All right.
Thanks for being on the channel. This is definitely not a dull moment. Thank you so much, Alan.
All right. Thanks for coming
brother.
out.